Hey, did you guys know that heart disease is the number one killer of men and women in the US and worldwide for over a century? So today I'm going to help you better your odds and beat those odds of heart disease, even if you have family genes of them. A lot of people don't realize when they have autoimmune disorders, a lot of our other ailments stem from what we're eating too. So I help people figure out what triggers are bothering them, but how they can use the power of the plant for medicinal purposes. Like in cooking, there's natural anti-inflammatories like garlic. Garlic helps your cholesterol too, helps your blood pressure. A heart that's overworking and working harder isn't going to last as many years. So you want to lower your blood pressure. We can often do that by dropping our weight and, other modalities as well as quit smoking. So watch your numbers, watch your blood pressure, watch your weight, watch your cholesterol, watch your sugars. Your heart is the largest muscle. We need to help build it back up, not destroy it. We need cardiovascular exercises to stretch and strengthen our heart. We need to keep our blood pressure low so we don't overstrain our heart. We need to keep our sugars low to normal range so we don't premature age it. We need to keep our weight down so we don't overstrain our heart. And I hope these healthy lifestyle hacks help you in your busy lifestyle, that you too can beat the odds of heart disease